Hello student, at last lecture we have seen input restrictions theoretically. Those restrictions are applied on input elements in HTML5. So, we have seen such type of elements: month, color box, number box, URL, date, email and so on. As well as we have seen such type of attributes, those to be applied as attribute of input tag, where such elements are created by using such a tag called as input. So, see here we have written code for that, for getting designing of such elements. Input type equal to text, a text box is applied here for a name field. So, it becomes like this: input type equal to text with a restricted attribute as a autocomplete. This autocomplete is on or off to be checked out. It means that previously entered value to be applied directly for completion of such field. So, in history, whatever you have entered, it is displayed at such a text box and will be completed by selecting such a word or value. Number next field, email. To enter a proper mail ID, we have used here again input type equal to email. Such a element looks like as a text box again, but entering such value as a mail ID, it must exist something name of website, website's domain, as well as symbol of @ and a proper mail ID to be entered. Next field is date of inception. For this purpose, we have used here date element. Before we have studied input restrictions theoretically, we have studied date, month, local date time type of elements, and such values are entered by using such element by clicking on a particular symbol of date. We will see this in a browser's window. Next element is time. So, a field is taken here, office time. So, it becomes like this: input type equal to time, something name value which is optional one to be given as a user's time, like this. Next field is a number box, where such a number box with a specified values will be applied. It is possible again. So, number of years completed for user, we have given here a value should be in certain range as 1 to 100. So, input type equal to number, a tag becomes like this: input type equal to number. Next field we have used here office phone number. Such phone number will be the mobile number or a landline number with a certain pattern can be applied. So, it becomes like this: office phone number, input type equal to TEL, that is telephone, a value TEL stands for telephone. Name, optionally we have given here such a field means phone contact. Their pattern is given here. So, a pattern attribute is applied here like this: pattern equal to 0 to 9, 0 to 9 to 0 to 9, and their maximum digits will be of 10. So, it becomes a particular phone number, might be a mobile number or a landline number, in which within a first part it should consist of STD code and then after digits of actual number of phone. Also, we have used here required attribute means we must have to enter value within such a telephone number box like this, that is, it is compulsory. Next field is URL. So, we have used here field name as add your home page. Whenever you have connection of internet or a typical website address, it might be opened in this URL box, while their address must be the proper one. So, universally it should be provided as a location, as an address for that. URL stands for universal resource locator. Then after we have used here next element as image box, again using input type equal to image. One more additional attribute I have given here, source equal to source, that is SRC attribute, which specifies actual path of the image to be displayed within such image box, as well as height and width are given, means dimension of such image, size of such image box to be decided. See here a certain code we have designed, we have typed here. We will see output of such file in a browser's window like this. We are getting output at here within browser's window. Element number 1, that is nothing but text box, we have used for name field. Name field is here. Previously entered values are here. Whenever you are going to enter something new values, it is possible by getting refresh, it will be displayed as a blank as by default. One can enter values like this. College name is given as a name. Email ID, if you have entered something mail IDs as a values for such a mailbox, those previous values will be displayed. See here, value number 1, value number 2, you can get choose here, and it is a part of autocomplete, might be we have chosen something value like this. Next field, date of inception, in front of such month box or date box, which includes date in a certain pattern such as date, month and year, DD, MM, YY. When you click at this symbol, you will get a calendar symbol where current month, year and date is given. If you click on such today word, it will display the current date, that is today's date like this. See here, and might be as per the system's date, it is possible to give current value as a date. You can get change here. Suppose we have chosen May 2020. See here, we have chosen 12 as a date, so it becomes 12 May 2020. Next field is office time. When you click on such symbol of clock, such a clock symbol produces 3 columns. Within such columns, values are there. A column number 1 is for hours. So, value from 1 to 12 are there like this. See here, 1 to 12. Second column is for minutes value. Such values are here from 1 to 60. See here, it gets start from here 1, ends at here 00, that is nothing but value of 60. After 59 there is a 00, means 60. A value of minutes will be entered 00, and same time value of hours will be increased for next number as a hour. Meridian is there in third column, AM, PM, meridian. One can get choose such type of values like this. One can apply current time as well as certain time with the specified values, might be it is possible again here. Suppose we have chosen something date hours and minutes like this 11:20. might be displayed as a 11:20 am as a value of time of morning session. Next field number box. For this element we have chosen field name as a number of years completed. Also we have given helpful instruction for user. Such values should be in between 1 to 100, means their range is defined here 1 to 100. When you click at here number box, it gets activated and arrows are there at right hand side. This one is upward arrow. When you click for one time, it displays 1. If you click on so on, values will be increased up to the 100 and more than 100 also. Okay. See here, we are going continuously by clicking such arrow and values are increasing up to 100 as well as more than 100, it will display such a value. But as per the restriction we have applied here, values will be in between 1 to 100, one should apply such values. So, one can get decrease such value by clicking at downward arrow. See here, it is going on decreasing like this. By default its value is 0, and when you click on such downward arrow, it displays the negative numbers. See here, -1, -2, 3 and so on like this. So, it can be increased from 0 as well as decreased from certain current number or by default from 0. Next field is phone number, telephone number. A field name we have given here office phone number. Also it produces a previously entered number as a phone number. It asks to user whether you mean such value. So, one can use a previous value as a phone number, mobile number. Also one can define a certain pattern as we have given 0 to 9 means 10 digits are there. So, any mobile number should have a 10 digits, no doubt, as well as we can enter a landline number having a specified pattern, means first 5 digits will be the landline number's STD code, then after 6 digits, 7 digits, whatever it may be, up to the number of digits will be the actual phone number. See here, we have entered here 02327 as a STD code number of a Garhinglaj, and a number of phone number, landline number we have given 222 as a phone number like this. Next field URL. URL stands for Universal Resource Location or locator. In this box one can apply any of address of website using hypertext transfer protocol, World Wide Web like this, or any landline any local file from this machine also can be produced, can be given as the address of that. Likewise one can enter this information within this box. While having a connection of internet, one should produce it and open the website likewise itself. Next field, that is image box. We have seen here an image in a certain dimension or size, certain space it is displayed. So, we have used here attribute called as height and width. Height equal to 400 we have given, width equal to 500 we have given. One can get decrease this or increase also. I am going to decrease height as a 300, width as a 400. So, size or dimension of such image box will be decreased. See here carefully, now it is in 400 by 500 currently. After this change it will be in 300 by 400. When I get click at this refresh button, it is reduced. See here, we can also this enlarge this height as a 500, width as a 600 also. Save this at editor's window get refresh at browsers window. Likewise, it will be enlarged. See here, it is enlarged. So, these are the restricted values and effects, those are applied at here. When a user should apply something value at here. So, see once again from first field, that is name, I am going to enter name of our college as its value. Email also, if I have entered something email ID previously, it should be displayed, one can get choose it, no doubt. A proper mail ID to be given, and such value will be the for field called as email. Date of inception, that is something date will be produced. Time, one can get choose time. Number box, which produces numbers from 1 to 100 and more than 100 also, we have chosen here in between 1 to 100. When you click on such upward arrow, values will be increased. When you click on such downward arrow, values will be decreased, like this. Office phone number, a previously entered number will be accepted, or if you want to enter new number also accepted in a specified pattern, as we have given pattern. Okay. So, it becomes like this. See here, I have given a landline number of our college. So, a message box is there, please match the format requested, please match the format requested. If such a value does not support a format as we have given at here, see here 0 to 9 means it becomes 10 digits, to again 0 to 9, total digits will be of 10, like this. And lastly, we have applied here required, means something value must be there. So, when you enter something or before entering, it must have a specified value, it means that. Next is URL, universal resource locator. For this, we have used here add your home page as a field name. Such a field name will be the applicable for getting online or offline values, getting connection with internet, one can open home page website, likewise, as well as if you want to open a local file, might be there as a giving address. I have given here address of that, like this. C drive users, public pictures, sample pictures. Within that, a penguins.jpg file is there, which file is displayed just below such a field here. This one is a field different, this one is a field different. So, next field is image, displaying the image. We can get enlarge or reduce also size of such image box by giving values of height, values of width in number of pixels. See here, save at this editor's window, get refresh at browser's window, size is decreased. So, all those are form elements in HTML5. Basically, we have seen previously practically as well as theoretically also. Then after we have seen restrictions for such elements theoretically at last lecture, and now we have seen such input restrictions for form elements practically. Thank you.